Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a fun, refreshing drink. This also, I'm going to show you a couple modifications so this can be used as a protein snack. But this is a fantastic summer survival drink and I like to call it the pink bikini. But before we do that, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and also go ahead and hit that bell so you never miss a notification when videos get posted, because every single week we post a brand new recipe video for you right here in this channel, plus an additional video featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using here in our home, how we're using it, and why we're using it. But let's go ahead and get this mixed up. The pink bikini, we're going to use a couple of things, and you'll understand how it gets its name in just a minute. So we're going to start with the Herbalife Collagen Booster. And the collagen, you guys listen, collagen is such an important thing to add to your diet every day. It is so important. So many things in your body require having adequate collagen. And as we age, even as early as our late 20s to early 30s, that collagen production starts to reduce. But it's good for everything from your joints and your ligaments and connective tissues to be healthy and supported, all the way to our skin and the appearance of cellulite and the youthful elasticity in our skin, and so many more. I'm going to do a whole separate video just on the collagen booster because it's just that important. But today we're just going to make a drink and it's going to taste amazing. And the collagen booster comes in a strawberry lemonade, so even on its own, that's going to add a great flavor to this. We're also going to use our lemon herbal tea concentrate, and you guys, the herbal tea concentrate is also so important. I think all my products are super important. But what the herbal tea concentrate is going to do for you is a couple of things. If you're trying to lose weight, it's going to help boost your metabolism. It's going to give you a little feeling of physical energy without that crash at the end. It also is excellent for aiding in digestion. So as you consume things, your body's able to break them down the way that it's supposed to, and they be absorbed and move through your system as nature intended. So many wonderful benefits to this, but it also tastes fantastic. There's only 5 calories per serving, and it is said that it helps to burn 80 to 100 calories every time you drink a cup because of the energy and the heat that it creates in the body. So herbal tea concentrate, lemon flavor, and we're also going to use the Herbalife protein beverage mix in wild berry today. And the beverage mix is an amazing standalone snack, perfect for when during the active phases of your weight loss plan, meaning it's all protein, no sugars, only 70 calories, and it tastes fantastic, and it's so easy and convenient to travel with and just to have anytime you need a quick boost of protein. And protein is super important for weight loss too. Okay, so this is a great summer drink you can have anytime. You can actually have it in the wintertime too, and I personally know that this drink tastes great also made hot. So really with this stuff, you guys, these are just suggestions. You need to go have some fun and play with your food. So since I'm making this just as a drink today and not as a protein snack, I'm only going to use 1 scoop of the this protein beverage mix. If I were making it as a protein snack, I would use 2 scoops because that would give me 15 grams of protein. The way I'm going to make it today, this has 7.5 and this has 5. So we're getting about 12-13 grams of protein in this drink already, just as it is. So what we're going to do is start with a dry glass. Make sure it's dry because you're going to put your powders in the bottom first. We're going to put 1 serving of our herbal tea concentrate in there, so that's 1/2 of a teaspoon right down in there, and 1 scoop of our protein beverage mix in wild berry down in there, and 1 scoop of our collagen booster, also, you heard it, right down there. And there we go. And now what we're going to do, we're going to make this a sparkling drink because who doesn't like a sparkling drink in the summer? Okay, so now we've got all of our powders down in here. I'm going to take my straw and mix the powders up just a little bit because the collagen doesn't really dissolve very well by itself in water. So we're going to just mix this up a little so that all of the powders can help each other dissolve better. And I'm going to put just a little bit of water down in the bottom. Since it's so skinny in the bottom, it's hard to tell, but we're still all the way wet over here. So now I'm going to get my little frother, which These things are amazing, you guys. If you're making Herbalife drinks at home and you don't have a little frother, you need to grab one. All right, so get this all mixed up so that everything is nice and dissolved. Set that aside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the glass with ice, and then we're going to put our sparkling water in there with it. And this will give it the sparkling taste. I'm pretty careful to try and find naturally flavored sparkling waters and no calorie sparkling waters and organic if you can get it, because they can hide a lot of stuff in a can like this that you don't really want and that isn't going to help you at all in your weight loss journey. Not just sugars, but the artificial flavors and things like that you want to try and stay away from. These are naturally flavored. I believe we grabbed these at Walmart. I think it was like $2.50 for the case of 8. So let me fill this up with ice. Okay, and now this is why you want to put just a very little bit of water in here, because now we only have room for this much sparkling water in here, and I should have maybe used a bigger glass or less water. But this is how we mix it up. So when you use a bigger glass or a different kind of glass, maybe you can get the whole can of stuff in here. So there you are, you guys. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video or if it helped you out at all, please hit that like button. That helps us out more than you know. Share this video with a friend or two who might like a drink like this and all the benefits of a drink like this. We do read every single comment, you guys, so let us know what you've enjoyed seeing here on our channel, what you'd like to see, what questions you have, and maybe we can get those questions handled for you in upcoming videos. And that's all I have for you today. Bye for now.